In this lecture, we will discuss about how can you create a binary tree or generate a binary tree. So for example, you want to create this binary tree. So first we should know whether the node has a left child or right child or no child. So we will generate it level by level, and we need a queue data structure here. So for example, here we have queue data structure. So in this queue data structure, we'll be storing the address of the node which are generated step by step. So address of a node is inserted into this queue data structure. So now we will create first a root node. So we will create this by using some temporary pointer t, and we will ask about the data to the user. For example, here it is 5. Okay, and this node must be having some address. Let us assume that it is 100, and we will set the left address and right child address to null or 0. And now we will insert this address, root node's address, into the queue data structure. So, and root is also pointing to this, and we will take one more pointer p. It's always pointing to the node which we are going to be generated. So right now p is pointing to this node. Now we will ask whether this node has a left child or a right child. So first of all, we will ask about whether this node has a left child. Yes, this node has a left child. So now we will generate a new node using temporary pointer t. This node must be having some address. We will insert the data into this node. Okay, we will insert the address of this node into the queue. Right now p is pointing to this node, and now we have to store this address. Before that, we will store the null into the left child address and right child address of this node. Now we have to set the address of this node to the left child address. So we will now store here 200, and we can create a link here. Now we will ask whether this node has a right child or not. So just assume that this node has a right child. Here we have the right child of this 5. So again, take one node t, insert value 6, set both the link to null. This node must be having some address 300. Now store this address into this queue data structure. We have to set the right child address of this root node. So store this address 300 into this node. Now p is completed. Now we have processed this root node. So now we dequeue the node from the queue data structure. So now p is pointing to this node 200. So now p is pointing to this node, and now we will process this node. We will ask, we can ask about some value from the user. If user entered -1, that means that node is not having the left child or the right child. So we'll ask first of all about the left child, but just assume that user entered -1, that means this node is not having a left child. Okay, now we will ask whether this node has a right child or not. Yes, this node has a right child. So now we will take one temporary pointer t, assume its address is 400, insert the data, so that is 9. Okay, set both the link to null, and insert this address 400 into the queue data structure. Now we have to set this 400 to the right child of p. Okay, so now we have created this link. So now we have processed this 200. It is completed now. So now we will dequeue a next node, that is 300. And I hope you are aware about this thing कि big Q is nothing but last in first in first out data structure. So now my P is pointing to this 300, and now we will ask whether this node has a left child or not. So yes, we can see this node has a left child. So using temporary pointer T, we have created this link. Insert the data. This node must be having some address 500. Set both the link to null. Insert that address into Q data structure, and now we will store this 500 into this P node. Now we will ask whether this node has a right child or not. So user must have entered -1. That means this node has no right child. So now this 300 is processed. Now we will DQ next node. So this now P is pointing to 400. So now P is pointing to this node. Now we will ask whether this node has a left child or not. So yes, it has a left child. So let me create one node, insert the value. This address must be 600. Set both the links to null. Insert a new node 600 address into the Q data structure. 600 would be stored here, and this link is created. Similarly, for this node has a right child also. So this is address is 700, value is 2. Set both the link to null. Insert the address 700, okay, and store the address 700 to the right, okay. So now this 400 is processed. Next DQ node is 500. So now P is pointing to this 500 node. Now we will ask whether this node has a left child or right child. But this node has no left child or a right child. So yes, this is also completed. Now P is pointing to the 600. So now P is pointing to this node. Then again we will ask whether this node has a left child or right child. If not, this node is also completed. Now next DQ node is 700. So P is pointing to this node. We will ask whether this node has a left child or right child. It has no left child or right child. So this is also completed. Okay.